Yo, what's up, y'all? This is your boy JJ Hearts, aka Honda G. I am doing a video of me installing a steering wheel cover on my car. You feel me? And this is my package that I just opened and stuff. And this is how this box look like, which I'm gonna open in a little bit. But customization steering wheel cover. You feel me? So I'm gonna definitely show y'all this. Alright, so I opened it already. You feel me? I took this out of this. This is a steering wheel cover, how it looks as of right now. As y'all can see, you know what I'm saying, joint's lit. You know, I ordered it, customized it from Amazon.com, which I'm going to put a link in the description and all that. But you see like the liners and everything, make sure everything really fits. I will test fit this as well. And I have stitches and stuff, you know, needle thread and some of the accessories that's going with it. You feel me? And I got this in white because white is my color. You feel me? Some people say, oh, it's going to get dirty fast, which is true, but I can always clean it. You know what I'm saying? So this right here, I got the white lining, the threads and stuff like that. And this came from China, I believe, or Japan. I'm not sure which one, but this feels mad genuine and stuff. And I definitely cannot wait to freaking put this on my steering wheel. You feel me? So let's get it. So all right, this is how my steering wheel look right now as we speak. You feel me? And I'm gonna be wrapping this whole piece, and not just this. I'm gonna change this too, the trim. I'm gonna change these two, and I'm gonna rewrap this into like suede or whatever. And this gotta go too as well. I love this, but this gotta get changed as well. You feel me? So I'm gonna definitely show you example how it's gonna be wrapped, and I'm gonna have to, you know, needle and thread that shit. You feel me? So I'm just gonna show y'all what's up. So look, this is a perfect example how it's supposed to look, but I didn't stitch it up none because I'm not gonna really put it all the way on. But this is why I gotta show you how it fits. You know, I gotta tuck it in and stuff like that. But what I'm gonna do is in a different way, maybe, because you know the trims is gonna be off. Like I'm gonna unscrew the trims later, and even this too, because this gotta come out first in order for me to take these two out, because something's gonna be different for me. You feel me? So I just gotta show you this real quick. You know what I'm saying? This is a little example. You're supposed to like tuck this in and stuff, and then the bottom too. I know the bottom is gonna be a little different, but it's okay because I got something for the bottom. You know what I'm saying? So as y'all can see right here, I done took the horn out, you feel me, for my safety. And all I had to do is disconnect the battery, wait 10 minutes, and then just disconnect that so the airbag won't go out, won't blow in my face and nothing like that. So all I gotta do, I'm gonna take these off too, because I'm changing these two. I love these, but it's time for a change. So I'm changing these two into a different color in a minute, you heard? Alright, so look, now since I removed this, what I'm gonna have to do is take this wrap off, this part, and even this, because I'm changing this out too. I love this color, but this color is too dark for me, so I gotta change it up, you feel me? So, and I really love this piece too, but that part gotta go, you know, because I'm trying to do some little grown stuff, you know, like I really love roses and all, but it's time for a change, man. So check this out, man. I took it off. You know, I even took the badge off. You know what I'm saying? I would have kept the badge, but like I said, I had to change up. So this is like rough, man, rough because of the old adhesive glues on there. But I'm gonna take that off. You know, before I put the glue on here, I don't know why would I put a new glue over this old glue, knowing that it's not gonna stick well. So I might as well use this over here, this goof off spray. I'm not gonna spray on there because there's like holes in there. And I don't want this to mess up, this thing, this part or whatever. So the horn, I don't want the whole horn to mess up. So I'm gonna like either cover this with something, or I'm gonna like spray it like on a microfiber towel, something like that, and wipe it down so it'll come off easier. You know what I'm saying? So. So look, now I cleaned it up, sprayed it with the glue thing or whatever. Everything is off. The middle, not much, but I'm gonna fix that in a little bit. But right now I'm about to wrap this to the spray real quick, so let's get it. I did it. You know what I'm saying? I did what I could and all that. You see like a couple lines on the side, but it's not going to be seen while I'm driving, so it don't really matter. You feel me? So I did this. I used a razor blade, cut the middle, because I don't want to cut the edge and it'll come out uneven. So I rather cut this and then I use like this scissors right here to cut it up, knowing how it is. But you see like a little edge right here, but it's not out. So this will cover this, which I'm about to put on. I'm about to put this shit on the few, you know, make sure I do it right. You know what I'm saying? So I'm really digging this so far. You know what I'm saying? I'm proud of myself for doing this. And, you know, my old one is right here that I took off. You know, like the way I did my old one, I don't know what happened to that. I love this tool, but I had to change up. And my old emblem is right here, which I'm not going to use, or I could just pass it on to somebody, but I doubt that's going to stick. So the way it's looking, I don't know. You feel me? So I might throw it away, or I might pass it on to somebody or whatever, but I'm about to definitely put this on right now. So I'm out. Alright, your boy 534 is back. As you can see, these two trims for the steering wheel. I'm switching this from this to this real quick. And I gotta switch up, you feel me? So y'all can see, I did it. I changed the whole demeanor and all that. You feel me? This is gonna go on my steering wheel as soon as I do the steering wheel wrap first. Then I'm gonna put these back on, you feel me? So, you know, I'm gonna show you how it looks right now. It's gonna look like this. Something like this, you know what I mean? Something like this. I don't know if y'all can see, but something like this. That's gonna look mad hard. You feel me? The black ones look hard too, don't get it wrong. Carbon fiber look hard, but to be honest, I'm tired of the carbon fiber anyway, so. Alright, so look, I'm back now. As y'all can see, this is done. It's not gonna come off, nothing like that. And this right here, I gotta put it on this. You feel me? Wrap this up first. Needle and thread it, make sure everything sticks. You feel me? And what I failed to realize was that this white part, this is like a sticking tape that sticks on over here, like behind this, so that way it will stay on, you feel me? So I'm gonna definitely use these, make sure everything sticks right, everything is good. You know what I'm saying? So let's. So yeah, man, I put everything back. You know what I'm saying? Not everything back, but I thread everything I could. It's a big headache. Took me forever to do it, but I did what I did. I feel like I did a perfect job. So right now, I'm about to just put everything back, like literally everything back. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it. So as y'all can see, as the next day, you know, because it was too dark for me and all that. So I did this side, you know what I'm saying, best way I could. You know what I'm saying? This came out pretty good still, but this side though, kind of like the same way. I had to put like holes in the bottom so like this bottom part could go into this properly, you feel me? So, and even the sides too, I kind of had to put a little hole in it so it'll push all the way in and stuff. All I gotta do is put the horn back, screw everything back in, and I'm good to go, you heard? So look, y'all, everything is done. Everything came out really, really good. You know, for the bottom part, it's a little uneven, but I did what I could, fixed it a little bit. But the rest, I feel like I did a good job in this. You know, this was not even hard for me. The only part that took me forever and ever was these. Even this. The needle and thread. It was my very first time doing it, but I followed directions on the paper that they gave me, you feel me? So it's really not that hard, and this is hard. You know, I had to come up with my own ideas. You know, I ordered this part off of Amazon. This part, I bought this from like a fabric store, and I just wrapped it. I bought this from a JDM store, basically, you know what I'm saying? And it's cool, you know what I mean? I'm glad I painted this over. You know, I bought like these parts from the junkyard, these Emblem. Then I ended up sanding it down, prime it first, and then paint it. You feel me? So the paint will stick, and I used the 2K paint, like a special paint, so that way it won't like peel off, and it's like protective and all that. Like it feels like shiny. You can see the shininess a little bit, you know what I'm saying? It's like glossy, you know what I mean? I love it. You know what I'm saying? I'm glad I did this too over here. I've been did this way before, and now I did this myself. You know what I'm saying? This was not hard to do. I did that in my last video, but I really, really feel grateful for doing this and all, and it's not that hard. And I put everything back. You know, I couldn't do the video because, you know, I'm in a rush and stuff like that. But yesterday it was dark. It was getting dark outside early, so I'm like, you know, let me just wait till the next day. You know what I mean? Because I don't like working on my car like at night too much, you feel me? Because it's dangerous. But all I'm gonna say is that I have to thank you guys for watching this video, by the way, because this was not even hard. You know, for me, this is not difficult, especially this. I had to change this up. I had like a rose like over here. You know, I went from that to this suede. I'm like, yo, let me just go plain. And it came out pretty good with the emblem. The emblem fit perfectly and all that. And I'm just grateful for it, you feel me? So your boy 534 is about to be off this. Peace.